Hi, it's Mrs. Askernes here with another episode of At Home with Puppy and Snail. Today, Puppy and Snail are going to show care and concern to one another and to our military and first responders. You can participate too by making cards for Operation Gratitude. You can make a card for a first responder or for someone in the military, or you can do both. Let's go see what Puppy and Snail are up to today.
What's wrong, puppy?
I'm getting my flu shot today.
Oh, are you scared?
Yeah, I'm trembling and I feel sick in my stomach.
Oh no. Well, puppy, I'm always here for you, and I'll help you get through this, okay?
Thank you, Snail.
Well, when I'm scared, it helps me to do belly breathing and self-talk.
Well, self-talk isn't really working for me right now.
Okay. Well, then, I also like to think about things that I'm excited about.
Oh, I'm excited to write a letter for the military.
That's great. So now, all you have to do is keep thinking about that and you won't feel so nervous.
Okay. I get to write a letter for the military. I got my flu shot. I thought about my card to my military hero the whole time. It really helped.
That's great, puppy. It's so important to recognize the first responders and military workers who are keeping us safe.
And it's respectful to let the military know that we care for them and we are so grateful.
And you can make a card for a first responder or military member too.
The mailboxes will be right outside the office. And don't forget to wear your mask.
They're open until November 6th at 3 p.m. So drop them off and say thank you to our heroes.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Well, to sum it up, you can draw a picture or write a letter for a military and a first responder. Keep it simple, keep it positive, and remember to include your name and your age, but no other information. And you can put it in the mailboxes in front of the school. You can show your respectfulness, your care and concern for our military and our first responders. Have a great week, everybody.